Hi, here is the Olympus AZ-100 zoom overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment. So you need to use a coin or something to open it. Okay, like press this, the center point. After you press, then you just pull it up here. And it using one CRP2 battery, you just put accordingly, push it back. Okay, next by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Then here is the film, and we need to slide into it at this compartment, and we need to make sure that the motor is fit into the center point of the film. Yeah, then push it and put the film tip to here, and make sure that your film is flat like this. Then we just close it and it will auto load. Okay, how to make sure whether you have loaded the film properly? When you on, here will show figure 1, which means that you have loaded it properly. If not, here will show blank or show E, which means that it's empty. Yeah. And here is the shutter button, on off button, the zoom, and the timer and the continuous shooting dial. And in front here is the flash setting. Yeah, and this one is the landscape. When you click this, it will automatically zoom to infinity to shoot, as this is a landscape mode button. Yeah. And here is, you can switch the flash lah. Yeah, off, auto, fill in, like that. Well, normally I recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. Yeah. And here is the viewfinder. When you look into it, you will find out at the center point there got a bracket, so that you use that bracket to aim to the thing, the object that you want to focus, and half press. Okay, yeah, you see it have a green light light up, which means that it's okay to shoot. Then you just click it. So just remember, every time you want to shoot, half press. If it doesn't blink, yeah, you see, if it blink like this, which means that it can't focus. So maybe you slightly adjust a bit, half press. Okay, it doesn't blink, click it. And here is a zoom, and if the environment is dark, then it will trigger the flash. Example, let me show you. Okay, yeah, like that, which means that it will trigger the flash. If you have red light, which means that we have flash. If without it, which means that it doesn't have flash. Okay, then click here. Here's the timer, sorry. Yeah, so same, half press to aim, let it focus, and click it. Half press, press it. Okay, here have a red light light up, which means that the timer is start counting already. It took around 10 seconds like that. Yeah, so just wait for it. Okay, after that, click again. This one is the C, stands for continuous shooting, where if you press the shutter, it will keep shooting unless you release it. When I let it focus first. If it can't focus, it can't fire the shutter. Yeah, you see. And overall it's like this. And when you didn't use it, then you just switch off will do. Yeah. And when you should finish, it will auto revive. So yeah, no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.